Have you ever looked up in the sky and wondered how far away a star is from you? Well, Henrietta Leavitt wondered the same thing, and she actually figured out a way for us to measure this. Leavitt studied a small logging class of stars in the Magellanic Cloud known as Cepheid variables. These stars go through varying cycles of brightness. When they expand, they become dimmer, and when they contract, they become brighter. Each of these stars do this like clockwork. There's a direct correlation between the time length of these cycles and a star's intrinsic brightness, which is how we actually calculate the luminosity. We use the intrinsic brightness compared to the apparent brightness to calculate the distance. This is what's known as Leavitt's law. In astronomy, we also have standard candles, which is something with a known luminosity that we use to help us find its distance. Say there's a power outage. You're going to light some candles to help you brighten up your house. When using these candles to get around, you most likely have an idea of how bright each candle is. Using this, and how bright it looks to your eye, you can figure out about how far away it is from you. Now, I know this all sounds like approximation, so you may be wondering how we figure out actual numbers. Well, we use the distance modulus equation. Using the variables we talked about, this ends up giving us d, which is the star's distance from the Earth in parsecs. Remember to always reach for the stars, and while you're at it, maybe you can measure how far they are from you.